Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to prove this given trigonometric identity 1 plus sin x over cos x plus cos x over 1 plus sin x equal to 2 over cos x. So I will take the left hand side of this identity and prove it to right hand side. So the left hand side of this identity is 1 plus sin x over cos x plus cos x over 1 plus sin x. In the next step, I will take the cos x and 1 plus sin x as the LCM. So cos x 1 plus sin x as the LCM. So multiply this 1 plus sin x with 1 plus sin x on the top. So this is 1 plus sin x square plus sign in the middle. Cos x times cos x, this is cos square x. So in the next step, open this square with our algebraic formula. A plus b square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is 1 plus 2 sin x a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is sin square x plus cos square x over cos x 1 plus sin x. So in the next step, 1 plus 2 sin x this sin square x plus cos square x, this is the relationship between sin and cos. So we know that sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So this is plus 1 over cos x 1 plus sin x. So in the next step, this is further equal to 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 sin x over cos x 1 plus sin x. This is equal to, take the 2 common from the top. So this is 2 outside, inside 1 plus sin x over cos x 1 plus sin x. This 1 plus sin x and this 1 plus sin x, they will cancel. So we only left with 2 over cos x. So this is our right hand side. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.